Hi, tú y yo. Bienvenida a mi canal, and I want to give a special hello a todas las personas que están mirando uno de mis videos por la primera vez. Yay! Okay, so we're going to be talking about how to say what is that. Yeah, that's very basic. I know a lot of you already know it, but I wanted to focus more about like how it can be said. Some of you that already kind of know this, it's like, okay, super basic. But for the rest of you, you may find it like exciting because you don't know any Spanish at all. So what is that is ¿qué es eso? Sometimes how it comes out is rammed together, smushed up, and blah. So it can come out as queso. And it almost sounds like queso, like cheese, queso. Queso. You have to think about it. There's so many E's and S's going on. Q-U-E-E-S-E-S-O. It just ends up being rammed together. Now that could definitely be region specific. I always like to point out that like when you're learning another language, how words come out can definitely be different from what you were expecting, from what you were reading and looking at on the paper. Now that's if you're learning English or Spanish. The same thing applies. Just a quick little thing to throw out there. And at this point, por favor, comparte este video con tus amigos. Share this video with your friends. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. Until next time, muchos besos. Mwah!